The mission of our company is to empower traders and ensure that we are aligned with their success. So, a couple of things about FunderPro. We won Best Funding Platform of the Year in 2023. Here's a picture of Gary, my partner and co-founder, on stage accepting the award. We also are very, very proud to be the sponsor of Ollie Berman, who's made it from Formula 2 into Formula 1, and we've backed him in his success and his consistency. Our firm is European-based. This for us is super important to be based in Central Europe, and we're making sure that you understand security, consistency, and a company that you can trust is who you should choose. Every single day, we are breaking records. We are growing daily. We are achieving success daily, and our traders are loving our product. Unlike many prop firms out there, daily and instant payouts are usually reserved for VIP traders. At FunderPro, instant daily payouts can be had by everybody. Once you pass your challenge, you can get daily payouts, and most of those payouts are instant. Here on screen, you can see one of our very, very good traders, Ismail. He took out 25 payouts, which resulted in nearly $50,000 for him in his funded account. And he achieved success by staying consistent, and he also understood what he needed to do to take money from the market. You can see some other successful traders and their payouts, less than 50 minutes for most of these traders. So why do traders use prop firms? Big question. Traders use prop firms because they want to consistently grow, and they want to scale, and they need substantial capital for that. A prop firm is the most advantageous way you can get access to that substantial capital and help you scale. It's probably one of the fastest ways, especially as a trader, for you to access this type of capital. If you think about it, going to the bank, getting a loan, all of those documents you need to submit, all of that paperwork, fitness tests, knowing your salary, that will hold you back and will take a lot of time. With a funded account, you can achieve success and achieve that capital faster. Simply buy a challenge, pass the assessment, KYC, and you have access to that capital. Traders love to trade. They want to achieve profits in a short period of time. The only way to maximize that effort is to get access to substantial capital. It's always the crucial element. Main point, and something that's super important, and make sure you remember this, if you want to consistently achieve and earn big profits, you need access to that capital. Let's break down the difference between a live account that you funded yourself and an account that you have with FunderPro. Let's assume you have $5,000 in a personal account and that you've passed a FunderPro account with $100,000 in funding. Here, we're going to assume a monthly growth of 10%. If you look at your 5K account that you've funded, you will only earn $125 every single week. But if you had a funded account, you are looking at earning $2,000 in the same period of time. $125 versus $2,000. Same time, same effort, same work. The capital greatly increased your chances. Looking at that over the month, $500. Fantastic. But still, with extra capital, with that $100,000, you can achieve $8,000 in that single month, the exact same time. A lot more money. If you look at that over the year, now you're talking out with 100,000 capital, you can make $96,000 for yourself at that growth rate, compared to nearly just doubling the account with the 5K account. To represent that, take a look at this bar chart. Per week, $125 versus $2,000, and then per month, $500 versus $8,000. The difference is enormous, and here it represents it very well. It's super simple. The more capital you have, the greater your profits can be. And at scale, a funded account will help you achieve exactly what you want from the markets. Let's take a look at Luke's story. Luke has earned $18,000 by sticking to a strict set of rules. You hear him talking about these daily. He does not risk more than 2% per trade, and in just 26 trading days, he managed to pass his funded account and achieve this level of success. Before FunderPro, before he knew about it, before he was trading with us, he spent hours and hours and hours analysing the charts, understanding the assets that he's going to trade on, and making sure he practiced and honed in on his skill. And once he started working with FunderPro and passed his challenge, he gained access to $100,000 in funding. And you can see he's earned $18,000 from the markets with FunderPro, and it defined and changed his career in trading. Now, I think that's very clear to everybody. So let's see how FunderPro operates, and let me help you understand how you can get your funded account.